Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a little different, but absolutely exciting. The all-new 2026 Ford Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a full-on mobile living experience built for the future of travel. Ford has taken its long-standing tradition of rugged utility and injected it with a modern, luxurious, and tech-focused twist, creating a motorhome that's as comfortable on the road as it is when parked in the middle of nature. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or planning full-time van life, this might just be the ultimate road trip companion. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold and aerodynamic exterior design. The 2026 Ford Motorhome features a refined front fascia with LED matrix headlights, a wide and functional grille, and integrated solar panels on the roof that enhance both its aesthetic and eco-efficiency. The body lines are sleek yet robust, giving it a confident road presence. Large panoramic windows line the sides, offering stunning visibility from the inside while allowing natural light to flood the cabin. It rides on reinforced alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, ensuring it looks just as good on a mountain road as it does pulling up to a campsite. Step inside and you're immediately greeted by an interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Ford has outfitted this model with high-quality materials, including soft-touch leatherette, recycled wood trims, and ambient LED lighting that adjusts to your mood. The layout has been carefully optimized to offer a balance between comfort and utility. There's a convertible lounge area with a swiveling table, a full kitchenette with an induction cooktop, fridge, microwave, and even a built-in espresso machine. Toward the rear, you'll find a smart bathroom setup featuring a retractable shower and a composting toilet, ideal for off-grid stays. The sleeping area offers either a queen-sized fixed bed or modular fold-out setup, depending on the configuration. The motorhome also includes a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with voice command, satellite connectivity, and smart home-style controls for lighting, temperature, and water usage, all accessible via companion mobile app. On the performance front, Ford has introduced a hybrid powertrain that combines a V6 EcoBoost engine with an electric assist motor, offering improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. It features all-wheel drive as standard, making it capable of handling various terrains, from highways to forest trails. Adaptive suspension, regenerative braking, and intelligent drive modes offer a smooth, customizable driving experience. The onboard battery system also supports off-grid living, with enough capacity to run appliances and charge devices for up to 48 hours, without needing to plug in. As for pricing, the 2026 Ford Motorhome starts at approximately $89,000 for the base model and can climb to around $125,000 for the fully loaded version with all the premium upgrades and off-grid packages. It represents strong value in today's market. So, is the 2026 Ford Motorhome worth it? If you're someone who dreams of the open road, stunning backdrops, and the freedom to go anywhere without sacrificing comfort or connectivity, this could be the perfect fit. Ford has truly reinvented the motorhome for a new generation of travelers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive deep dives.